Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Fiction Kitchen with Juliana from the York County Public Library. We're going to continue with our fictional drinks by looking at 2 recipes from the super popular fantasy role-playing game Dungeons Dragons. The first recipe will be Par-Salian's tea, named after the white-robed high mage Par-Salian. The second recipe will be Evermead, a secret elven recipe from Evermead. Both recipes can be found in the book Hero's Feast, the official D&D cookbook by Newman, Jon Peterson, and Michael Witwer. Now, let's get to cooking. Both drinks had interesting flavors. My favorite was the Evermead. It was pretty close to what I expected to taste like. The spices were well balanced and had a strong flavor. Par-Salian's tea had a delicate and light flavor. Not exactly what I had pictured, but not bad. What about you? Did they match your expectations? Be sure to join us next time on Fiction Kitchen. And thanks for watching!